Hello and welcome to the Machines of the Futures. Today we're going to try some new combinations, mostly for fun. I wouldn't probably use these combinations unless we get some really good numbers. So, disclaimer, past performance is not indicative of future success. We're doing this to test it out. Okay, so let's start. How many indicators can we work with? I already know I want to try out the RSI. Give me a second. Just making sure everything is okay. Just making sure everything is okay. Okay, here we go. So let's get rid of a few. This live stream, we're going to just keep this one. Let's start with one of the most popular. Let's start with one of the most popular indicators, the ADX. And let's go with Arun. Why not? I mean, we are trying wacky combinations. So in the past, Arun really helped me out with scalping on the 1 minute chart, but I use mostly now like the 1 hour chart, 15 range, 500 tick. I don't really use the 1 minute chart anymore. I kind of consider that a newbie strategy, Arun and Arun oscillator with the 1 minute chart. But it did work 50% of the time. Let's try it out here. Let's find out why it only worked 50% of the time. First, we got to create a new robot in the main menu. First of all, it's robot ADX and Hero later. I gotta load 14 days on this. Hold on. How should I do this? We'll keep the 15 range chart because otherwise we'll get errors. I know I should have done this in the beginning, but what the hell? And we'll still get 14 days because I don't want to take more than 1 hour. Got some food here, anyways. Looks like we got our chart loaded. let's go to the Futures Analytica polarity software. We're gonna create our robot using this what we have in front of us. So, like I mentioned in the other live stream, this is basically designed for ES. The default settings right here. Choose our robot. Choose 60% win rate. Training mode. Enable training mode. Stop loss 18. Take profit 16. Okay. Robot number one. I've been doing it since October 2022, so I've been trading manually for years. So I pretty much know right off the bat what indicators work for what symbol, what instrument. I still think this is a pretty wacky combination. You guys want to sign up for our robot creation service? It's live. You could get in on a pretty good price. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Welcome. We're trying out new robot combinations with indicators that don't necessarily work together or more professionals use, basically. Like I said, I used to use the Arun indicator before. Mostly. Let's see what we get. So this is robot number one. Let's see what we get. Robot number two, if we just go down the list, so far we did basically a trending robot with this. Should we continue with the trending robots or reversal trading? Let's see. We go down the list. ATR is a pretty important indicator. Let's say we try the old school CCI. We also have the machine learning indicator, keep things fresh and interesting. All right, here we go. Robot number two. Like I mentioned, like I mentioned earlier, uh, I used to use the Arun oscillator and a 1 minute chart. It was 50% accurate. I don't do that anymore. ATR is an important indicator. Let's see how well it works with the CCI, the old school classic CCI, not the Woodies. This should be fun and interesting. I wouldn't recommend using these indicators with robots. We're just testing right now, but we'll see what the market gives and what the auto training gives us as well. And if you just joined us, yes, we did launch the premium robot creation service. We're launching a brand new updated robot every week. So we try a whole bunch of combinations of indicators and we upload the best, the top performer every week to our Patreon. So if you're interested, check it out. If you're not, thanks for watching and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. So we had a question sent to us. Why would people need to um, update or train a robot every couple of weeks? We think auto training is better than incremental learning because you're basically having the system. You're basically having the system look for trades for you. So let's just say you have a bad week and you're losing 80% of the time. Well, incremental learning, you're basically feeding it bad trades, in my opinion. If if you're auto training it, having the system train the robot, basically, it's gonna look for those winning trades, right? So I think it's better than incremental learning because it's looking for winning trades, right? And it's training the robot with uh with that data, with that good data set. So that was a that was an answer to a viewer's question we had sent in. That's why we believe this service is of value and it's pretty cheap. So if you just want a fresh robot, freshly trained robot every week, I think it's a pretty good deal. So check it out if you want on the Patreon. We're getting some big numbers here, but these indicators, like I said, I wouldn't use these indicators together too often. I think it's mostly the Patty machine learning indicator. It's giving us these high numbers. Okay, we got our preliminary results. Robot number two. Let's see. I think for robot number three, try an old school indicator with some random ass indicator. Let's see. Find something random. Fractional. Let's have some fun. Of course, we forgot to create a new robot, but I guess it doesn't matter. I wouldn't be using them anyways. This is just for fun. We're doing this just for fun. I'm glad the live stream's not taking as long as the first one. So we got a pretty low number over there. Interesting. Wow, that number jumped from 1.4 to 3.7. That's pretty good. That's interesting. Still, you wanna use just random indicators together when you're actually trading. That's not a good idea. That's why we're just doing this for fun. Once the stable version comes out, we could start a clarity group for us enthusiasts. Hopefully, this one doesn't take too long to train. It is only 14 days of data, but that's still pretty good. think I might do part two of this stream. I think I think this is pretty interesting, pretty fun. Uh, People could try this out, mess around. But you could already see we're getting lower numbers. I'm not too surprised. I think these numbers are mostly inflated because of the patty uh ML indicator, machine learning indicator. Fractal is more of a reversal indicator. MACD is I think more of a trending type indicator in my opinion. We're gonna check out the graph at the end, but yeah. I tried I tried doing a version of Fractal before and it didn't do too well in the live markets. When you try to create your own robot using Ninja Trader's machine learning program, where you just create a bot that trades for you. Fractal just never good results. It gets lucky, but it always takes it just wasn't good. I wish it was better. Right. Looks like we're almost done here. So the premium bot creation service is live. The link is in the description. Check it out. Okay, so MACD, time of day. Might do a part two of this live stream. Let's rank them. Think how I gotta do is move this. So just for fun, looks like all hyped indicator ADX is the winner with Aaron. I'm really surprised. Fractal did better. Um, Might have just got lucky. ATR, yeah. ATR never pairs well with CCI. It's not common. Commodity traders would just use CCI. They will use volume, some kind of trend indicator, momentum indicator. They wouldn't typically use ATR. Oh, that was pretty fun. All right, guys. Might do another live stream. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.